अहिंसा सत्य अस्तेय ब्रह्मचर्य अपरिग्रह यमाः अहिंसा सत्यास्तेय ब्रह्मचर्य परिग्रह यमाः. The ahimsa is non-violence. So this non-violence mentally, vocally and physically, and freedom from doing violence, freedom from getting violence done, freedom from admitting the proposal of violence, that is ahimsa, that is non-violence. So non-violence, if one practices, nothing like it. And in fact, among all the yamas, non-violence is the principal yama. And even truthfulness, that is going to be the second one. And other yamas are no good if there is an element of violence anywhere. So ahimsa is there, non-violence. Satya is there, truthfulness. Asteya, non-stealing. Brahmacharya, celibacy or self-control. And aparigraha, non-accumulation, non-consumerism. They are the yamas, 5 yamas, and they are universal vows. They are not confined to anything. They are not to be for performance of all the yamas, or for observing all the 5 yamas. I don't think there is everybody is qualified for that. So nobody is non-qualified. And everybody is qualified for all times to come. It is not confined to any particular date, a particular day of the year. It is not confined only to a particular type of individual. For everybody, every varna, every type of persons, they can perform these yamas and niyamas. So jati, desha, kala, samaya, anavachinna, sarvabhauma mahavratam. Sarvabhauma mahavratam. So these yamas are universal vows, and they are not confined to any particular jati, particular family type, or particular region type, or particular time, that Ekadashi, and today is Ekadashi, so let us have fast. Or I have taken a vow that I will not eat meat on such and such festival day, samaya. So no, not that. It is universal mantra. The yamas are universal for everybody, and there is no restriction, there is no limit of whatsoever type. So Sarvabhauma Mahavratam, and they are great vows, Sarvabhauma Mahavratam.